My name is Asad Yaqub and I'm your IELTS speaking examiner. Let's take a start. How often do you go to restaurants?
I really prefer to people to go restaurants because it's very nice to see, and also there is a very beautiful flowers and gardens to see, and also enjoyment for us, and also a dinner at the place where we go in the restaurants, and we eat some delicious foods there.
Okay, now the main thing is you are communicating with words,
Okay.
not with sentences.
Okay.
So you need to make proper sentences. A sentence contains subject, verb, object.
Okay.
But you're just using words to convey the ideas. So that's the first thing which you need to focus. And second, you should understand the tone of the question. How often do you go to the restaurant?
Okay.
Now answer should be given with I,
I.
not people.
Okay.
Right? Let's go on. What's your favorite restaurant and why?
My favorite restaurant is located in the Gujarat Kinara, and I really love to go in there because its servicing and its cleanliness is very good. So I love to go there.
What type of food do you like the most?
I love to eat very biryani and drink some cokes, etc. And also I really enjoy sweet dishes.
Okay, enjoy, not enjoy.
Okay, enjoy.
Is there any expensive restaurant in your hometown?
Yes, there is a very expensive Marriott hotel in my hometown. It's very expensive, and
It is very expensive.
It is very expensive. Cheap people can't afford it.
Cheap people can't afford it. It is very expensive. Cheap people can't afford it. You can say, all right, that's fine. Okay. Okay, so now we move on. Speaking part 2. Describe an unforgettable bike trip or bicycle trip and all that. So please, you can start.
Well, when I was 18-year-olds, I have a new bike gifted to me my father, and I was right to go my friend home, and he said, give me a treat, and well, I decided to give him treat, and we went to cinema, and we watched movie.
We watched
movie. After we go back to
we came back.
And the road is very empty. I just feel
the road was
empty. I just run bike very fast.
I rode the bike very fast.
And I just shocked. Woman is on center on the road. I hit him
in the middle of the road. I hit her. Women is feminine.
Yes, and after I also go scratches on my body and sworn on my body, and I go to the woman and asked him.
I went to the woman and asked her.
Sorry, and I asked her, "Who is you?" and
How are you?
And she abuses me.
She abused me.
She abused me, and I just normally and behave normally.
I behave normally.
And I asked her.
Okay, that's fine. All right. Now let's move on. And so at the end you can say that was the memorable or unforgettable thing. Do people in your country often travel by bike? Now bike means bicycle and motorbike. So
yes, well, every people
most of
the people have the bikes because they less expensive, and also consume less petrol, and travel go other cities and other places very short time.
Okay, all right. What is the difference between which is more convenient, bicycle or car?
Car is a very suitable because we go together in the, and we also communicate in the car when we go other, and it's just time capture time, just assume
we can save our time.
Time, yes.
Time saving and all that.
Yes.
Do you think cycling is a good way to exercise?
Yes, it's very healthy for us, for our legs, and maintain our body, and also fit to run.
It keeps us fit and
Yes.
all that. Okay, so focus your grammar,
Okay.
focus your sentence structure,
Yes.
learn all the tenses,
Okay.
especially present simple, past simple, and future simple tense, and the other ones. And try to focus the question and answer accordingly. I've shared some speaking books with you.
Yes.
Just read the questions with answers and find a speaking partner here and do a lot of practice.
Okay.
Then it will be fine. At present, I'll give you 5 band.
Okay.
So if you want to get 6, 6.5, you need to work out all these things,
Okay,
right?
okay. Thank
you.